Hello guys, so this is Avali and today we're gonna have a look at this PCAP file and we're gonna analyze it inside tcpdump. And actually I found this PCAP file inside GitHub, and I also found these questions which are really good questions and you're gonna face in real world while you're working as a SOC analyst inside an office. So you're going to face this kind of question while you're working as a SOC analyst. So that's why I made this video, and I'm going to do my best to answer as detailed and as specific to all these 4 questions. So without any further ado, let's go and just jump inside tcpdump. So all I have to do is open terminal, because we're gonna do it inside tcpdump, so that's why we need terminal. So right here, if I just write down ls, so it's gonna bring the files that are in this specific folder. So right here you can see 1.pkap file, c1.pkap file, and also avali. Okay, I'm going to delete this one because I have to extract that in wireshark. So right now here I can type sudo tcpdump, and then I want to read file, which I'm going to put attack R, and after that I'm just going to press 1 and then press the tab key to complete the file. So I have to run the tcpdump as a root user and also the wireshark as a root user, otherwise these tools won't let me to use them. Okay, so I'm just going to press the enter, and you can see that it asks for the password. I'm going to put my password right here, and you can see right here we are looking at this 1.pkap file, and the first questions that this guy asked is find the hidden file. Okay, and also it says after you found the hidden file you have to find the MD5 hash. So like we have MD5 hash, we have SHA-1 hash, and we have also SHA-256 hash, and all of them are used for the packet integrity. So they're going to generate a specific hash. So if that content was changed, so the hash is going to change. So that's why we are using the hash. So right now it says first find the hidden file. So we can do this hidden file. So if you want to fetch or download something to the server or from the server, you have to use some kind of protocols like DNS tunneling, and also like we are using HTTP, HTTPS, and also we have like SMTP. And we have like a few protocols that we are going to use, but right now that I just opened this file, I can see the connection. It's HTTP. You can see right here all of them are in HTTP, and it means it's on port 80. So what I can understand from this is it's an HTTP connection over TCP protocol. So if I want to download or if I want to get some file from the site, so I'm going to use the command post or get. So right now you can see we have the timestamp. This one is the timestamp, and we can see that we are using IPv6, and we can see that this one is the source. Okay, this one is the source localhost, and 52313 is the source port, and the destination is also localhost, which is using the port HTTP, which means port 80. And we can see the TCP protocol, which is a 3 handshake with a push ACK flag, and also we can see a sequence number. It's a unique number that's being used for the content of a packet. And we can also see the window size, so it's the limit size that the packet can transfer the data. And we can see the options like no operation panel or TSVL, and ECR, which is the same like timestamp, and we can see the length, which is the payload, and also we can see that it's using this file. Okay, it's using gate and also this file, so I want to download this file, and we can see the other one also right here. So right now all I have to do, I'm going to press the up arrows, and after that I'm going to provide my grep command, because I know that it's HTTP protocol, they're using the HTTP, and if they want to get something or fetch something to the server, so they have to use the get or post. So I'm going to put a tag expression, and after that I'm going to put a double quote and then the post or the get. So when I press enter, so I'm going to see all the files that the user want to get from the server. So there's no post, only get. And if we have a look at this one, okay, right here, so you can see all others are okay. So it's just HTTP, and this one is a GIF, and this one is an image GIF. Okay, but the one thing that's gonna be a little suspicious is this file. So also we can see it's a .zip file. So we can come to a conclusion, which this file is the hidden file that the user want to download from the server, and right now I have to extract this file from the PCAP file and get its MD5 hash. And I can do that by wireshark, but I can't do it with tcpdump. That's why I'm going to use wireshark, and I'm going to use the wireshark only to extract this file, and that's it. And right here in display filter, I'm going to put HTTP. It's a display filter. So right here I can see my file. All I have to do is right click on that, then come to the follow, and right here I can see the TCP stream. So when I click on it, I can see the content of the packet, and the question was I should get the MD5 hash of this file. So all I have to do is click on save as, then go into desktop. So I'm going to save it right here. I put the name like cyberavali and .zip. So this is it. Right now I extracted the file, this one, and I saved it in PCAP file, which is this one, and you can see right here. So I can get the MD5 hash from this terminal or from this terminal, but I just want to do it real quick, so that's why I'm going to use right here. And you can see the file is cyberavali.zip. All I have to do is MD5 SAM, and then I'm going to press the C, and after that the tab to complete the name. And when I press the enter, so it's gonna get me the MD5 hash. Also you can get the other hash like SHA-1, SAM, cyber, and this one is the SHA-1 hash. And if you need the SHA-256, so you can get all the three hash like this from any file inside tcpdump. And right here you can see it's the MD5 hash of the hidden file that the guy was asking for. And the second one is what's this traffic. So you can see it's HTTP traffic over TCP protocol. And the third question is what's the IP header length. If the guy is using IPv4, so it's fixed 20, and if he's using IPv6, it's 40. But we have to know like what's the IP datagram length. And how we can do this is I'm going to clean out the grep, and after that I'm going to put verbose, a double verbose, and also I have to rate the file. So, and also I can you can see it's a TCP. Okay. Oh, okay. Sorry for that. I have to put. So you can see right here, I can read the details of. Let me do this way because it's a lot, so I have to go up. I can put also -c, and I only want like 5 packets. I only want like 5 packets to read, so it starts from here, and this is the first packet, and this is the content in ASCII. If I put X replace the A, so that's going to provide me with the hexadecimal and ASCII. But right now I put it A, so I can read the data, the content of the packet in ASCII. So right here you can see the timestamp. I can see the hop limit, which is 64. It's like time to leave, so it's a hop limit. So after that the packet is going to be dismissed. And the next one is the next TCP header, and it's the payload. So we need this one. It's 44. We can see the payload length is 44, and we also know like the IP header of v6 is 40. So the IP datagram for this specific packet is going to be 84. And says what's the application layer? We already know it's a TCP. What TCP options are used? So we can see the options right here, which is MSS, and also no operation parallel, and TSVAL and ECR, which is the timestamp. And also we can see the SAC and EOL, and also the length. The length is 0. And those are the options. And the fourth question is, what's the IP version of the third packet? So we have to open the third packet. All I have to put is I need up to number 3. So you can see this one is the first one, this one is the second one, and this one is the third one. So we can see the IP version is v6. What's the embedded protocol, which is TCP? We already know from the flags. And we can see it right here also. And if there is any fragmentation, so we have to come to the length and see the length is 0, so which means there is no fragmentation. If the length was over 1500, so that's when the fragmentation happens. And what fragmentation means is, so if there is lots of data, and each packet can carry up to 1500. So if it's over 1500, so the data should be divided into numbers of packets, so they can carry the data. That's when the fragmentation happens. But right now we can see the length is 0, so there is no fragmentation. This is the 4th question, and you're going to see like these questions while you're working as a SOC analyst inside an office. And I hope you just learned something from this one. And if you have any problem with the TCP dump, like this was a practical example, and if you have any problem with this one, I'm encouraging you to go and have a look at this one, which is called TCP dump, the basic packet capture and filtering, and it's a beginner guide. And also if you need the notes, so I have a page right here. It's called Cybersecurity Professionals, and if you come down right here, you can see the notes, which is 6 pages, and you can see also the other notes, which is about phishing email analysis. So you can see all the notes that I put it right here, and I write them by my own self, and you can get all of them for free, which I paid to learn all of this. And you can see, and even I have the networking. So this is a must. If you don't know anything about networking, you have to learn all of this, and it's not lots of pages. Okay, it's like 12 pages. And also I covered like everything about networking, and I put it all of them inside this page, which you can, if you want, and if you think it's worth it, so you can just follow this page and leave a like and also a comment. And I'm going to put the video in this YouTube channel, and which is called Cybersecurity. And if you have any question, please feel free to comment. And also I'm going to put another video about a little more advanced about how to analyze a PCAP file inside wireshark and also with tcpdump. So I'm going to use both of them, and so you have to have the knowledge, the basic knowledge of a little networking, and also you have to watch the first video. So right now you are watching this video, and after this video I'm going to put a little more advanced video about how to analyze a PCAP file inside tcpdump and also inside wireshark. And that's it for this video. I hope you like it, and I'm going to see you guys next time. Just don't forget to like and subscribe, and love you all. Thank you.